Question 10. A woman bought 130 kilograms of tomatoes for 52,000 naira. She sold half of the tomatoes at a profit of 30%. The rest of the tomatoes began to go bad. She then reduced the selling price per kg by 12%. Calculate A part of the question. The new selling price per kg. B, the percentage profit on the entire sales if she threw away 5 kilograms of bad tomatoes. Solution. Before you can get the new selling price, it means there was an old selling price. So you get it with the information about the cost price of the half of the tomatoes alongside with the percentage profit. So weight of full tomatoes 130 kilograms. Weight of half tomatoes, you divide the full weight by 2 and you have 65 kilograms. 130 kilograms, this is the full weight of tomatoes. The cost is 52,000 naira. Then half of it, that is 65 kilograms, will cost the full weight divided by 2 and you have 26,000 naira. 30% profit for selling half of the tomatoes. So with this you can get selling price. Percentage profit is equal to selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100. The profit in percent is 30. If you convert from percent, you have 30 over 100. This conversion has removed working with this 100. You have selling price minus cost price over cost price. If you reduce this by 10, you have 3 over 10 equal to the right hand side. If you cross multiply, you have this result. Instead of multiplying the right hand side to have very large values, you can simply divide through by 10. So this 0 removes 1 0 from here. So you are left with 2,600 times 3, that is 7,800, equal to selling price minus 26,000. In collect terms, you have this result. Therefore, selling price is equal to 33,800. Selling price per kg. So you divide that value by 65 and you have 520 per kg. The seller reduced this selling price by 12%. By 12%. So you calculate 12% of 520 in this form, and that gives 62.40 per kg. That is 62 naira 40 kobo per kg. So the new selling price is removing the 12% reduction from the old selling price. That is 520 minus 62.40, and that is 457 naira 40 kobo as the new selling price. This selling price is per kg, that is 1 kg. B part of the question, you have to look for the percentage profit for the entire sales. From the beginning to this point, the entire sales was 65 kilograms. At this point, she threw away 5 kilogram, so you are left with 60 kilogram. Selling price for the entire 60 kilogram becomes 60 times selling price for 1 kg, that is 457.40, and that gives 27,456 naira. This is for the 60 kilogram. Now the entire selling price, you have the selling price for the 65 kilogram and the 60 kilogram, and that is 61,256 naira. Already you know the cost for the half now. The cost is 52000. So percentage profit is this: you replace the selling price, the cost price with their respective values, and you multiply by 100 in this form. If you subtract, you have this times 100. If you multiply and divide, you have 17.8% to 3SF as the percentage profit for the entire sales of the tomatoes after throwing away about 5 kilogram of bad tomatoes.